This one's for the boys back home. I'm out here in Judd. We got this Eclipse 8. An old tower over there. And then I look to my left. Oh, hi there, Model 2. 1971. 208. 240. Just talked with a guy. It sounds like they're gonna try and sell it pretty soon. So hopefully able to take this off their hands. I gotta act quick though, because I'm only out here a short blip in time more. But dang, that's neat. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It has been a decent while since I've gotten another acquisition, but this time it is sure not to disappoint. So I just got this thing yesterday, or at least at the time of filming it. Just gonna focus. There you go. December 1971, Type 2. This came from the tiny town of Judd, North Dakota. And unfortunately, it is in pretty sorry shape. Now, when I saw this thing 2 weeks ago, again at the time of recording, it was in pristine shape. Not a ding on this thing. But I'm guessing some idiot drove a tractor or something into it, and yeah, it's kind of sad. But you can always buff this stuff out. I'm just glad that the ID tag's okay. So I'm actually working on it right now, pardon the junk everywhere. Here's the little guy. So got the top cone off. This is actually in pretty good shape. If anything, looks like everything under here is in decent shape. It was completely covered in spider webs, so I'll try and include a picture of it if I can over this, but yeah, it was disgusting. Gloves are a must. So yeah, this thing's in pretty decent shape. Some minor surface rust. That's not too terrible. The Siren itself, much better shape. It took some convincing, but this thing spins really well. I'm still gonna try and replace the bearings because yeah, I really should do that. Here's my little goodie bag of parts for the time being. Here are your brushes. Now, when I purchased this thing, they said that someone, I'm guessing a federal rep, because an Eclipse 8 replaced this thing, that a federal rep, I'm guessing, told them this thing would need new brushes. These things look pretty good. Maybe a little short, but yeah, pretty good. And here's the other one. Yeah, again, pretty much same story here. Look decent. I'd like to replace them though, still. But let's see if we can get under there. You probably can't see how much junk's in there. Yeah, there's still a decent bit of junk in there. There you go. There's your tag. Again, the same story, 1971. This tag's in great shape. I'm glad about that. And let's see. Yeah, there's your commutator. I'm not well versed on these things, so I don't know how well it looks, but I think it looks okay. I mean, it looks pretty uniform. Oh, now it's not spinning. Again, bearings. So, yeah. Ugh. Oh, that's why, because that got caught in there. Yeah, so, yeah, got myself a Model 2. I'd like to bring this thing to SirenCon if I can, but there's no promises this thing will be ready in that time. So, there you go. That's what I've been up to.